Hi everyone. So moving from our cockatiel cage from this really small cage, temporary cage that we put in, to this new luxurious mansion that we picked up from A&E Cage. Uh, so yeah, let's just get down to it. We're just gonna transfer everything over, and then see if we need to add anything else. So far, it's all to be fun. Huh? I can't find it. Feels like I wrote that one. Please. Huh? No, wait. What? What? What'd you get? Yeah. Perfect. What do you want to do quick? I need you to come out and see what you I need you to come out and see if we should add more to this cage or not.
No, because you want them to free move around.
Yeah.
I think that looks good.
I didn't add anything other than a cuddle bone.
Right. No, I think that's good. You got the cuddle bone, you got their mineral block.
Yep.
I would not put that sand perch in front of their food and water. I would get another, do we have another like wood perch?
Probably one of the bins.
Because I would take a wood perch and put it where that sand perch is, because you don't want them on that sand perch all the time. And put the sand perch like in the back here. Where's their, oh, you got the flat perch. Who's that? Steven? Where's Chansey? Hey, Chansey.
He's helping me be the camera.
Screw it in and
Don't put it underneath the other perch. How are they supposed to use it? Really? But yeah. Let me get them a bridge on Amazon that I saw. You could probably just leave that flat perch down.
Hey, when you see your egg.
What do you think?
I think we're just gonna use these two fun food dishes things.
Are you gonna give them two separate tubes then?
They had a water bowl dish and they had a tube. So which one do they use?
I would do another water dish like right.
We don't need to use all four. So
No.
you do two dishes.
Those are two, like those dishes are smaller than their food dish, so I think they need two food dishes. But
Do you want to do two food dishes on the one side and then water on this in the
Yeah.
water dish.
Yeah,
and
so
the
do
food.
another food dish over here. They're not gonna, there's no perch over that, right? No. Cause they fight when they eat, if they like, they get mad at each other. Easily.
Yeah.
The food, my food area, where's their mallet clubs?
So that's all the places I'll put them in.
Yeah, I'd put one like right up here.
Like right there.
Yeah, you don't want it over the food or the water, because then it'll just get in the food and water. There you go.
I don't think you need two.
Yeah, they can't share.
I know.
Yeah, they can't share. They're not good at that. You know how you're making the food on?
Yeah.
Does that work?
Yeah.
And do you think that's better for them?
Oh yeah.
They're babies that have gone in a cage.
Yep.
And the grate in the bottom, so you can't lay any more eggs.
Okay, all done. Just gotta put a liner in it, fill the food up, put the water in, and then we're all done. But they can move. They've moved from this little rinky-dink cage, temporary cage, to their new. I wouldn't say it's a penthouse, but it's definitely a nice single-family home. Right? Single family, no babies. Weirdo bird.
Where is chicken?
Okay, so we got them back
What do you mean where?
in their new home. The foods and water, the liner in. So yeah. Oh, I let my daughter buy it. Oh, never mind. All right, don't worry about it. So they're all back in their cage now. This is probably. Wait, so this is like the third cage, right?
Yeah.
This is at least the third cage that we know of. So they had a rabbit cage there. We think it was a rabbit cage or a ferret cage they were in before when we first got them.
Oh, why we changed it?
Yeah, and then I'm getting there. And then we had to change that cage because it had an open bottom, and they ended one of these girls ended up laying eggs. And we had a whole fiasco with that, and there's I'll have a video of that up then. So then we had them in a temporary smaller cage. That cage was too small, so then now they're in this big old cage. So cool. That should be their final cage, final home, final time to move. Because when you move birds, it usually stresses them out. That's why we kept the food predominantly in the same area as the water from their previous cages, so they know. And they seem to. Next thing we want to get is probably a UV light. But they get a lot of outside time, and they fly out into our main bird room out here. Oh, somebody dropped something. And this is where a lot of the birds hang out when it's outside of cage time. Right now it's feeding time, so some of them are put in. So yeah. All right. If you liked the video, drop a like, drop a sub. I'll be posting more videos. Have a good one. Bye.